Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
To pause Windows updates in Windows 11, open the Settings app window and then click the Windows Update button at the left side of the screen to show the Windows Update settings for your computer to the right. The Windows Update status then appears at the top of the Windows Update settings at the right side of the window. The time and date that Windows last checked for updates appears here. To pause Windows Update, click the Pause Duration button or select the pause duration from the Pause Update Setting buttons dropdown. Note that you may not be able to pause updates for devices provided by an organization if their security settings disallow it. If needed to extend the pause duration, click the Extend Duration Period button or select an extended duration from the Pause Updates Setting buttons dropdown. To resume paused Windows updates, click the Resume Updates button in the Windows Update Status section. To close the Settings app window, click the X button in its upper right corner.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.